Hey there, plant lovers, it's Homestead here, and today we're diving into a hot topic, literally. We're talking about how to prevent and treat heat stress in your plants. Summer is great, but those soaring temperatures can be brutal for your green babies. So, let's get into it. First up, prevention. Just like us, plants need some sunscreen. No, not actual sunscreen, but some shade. Use shade cloths or even an old bed sheet to protect your plants during the hottest part of the day. Try setting up a temporary structure using stakes and cloth to give your plants a break from the direct sunlight. Next, hydration is key. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid evaporation. Make sure you're watering deeply so the roots get all the moisture they need. And hey, mulching is your best friend. A good layer of mulch can help retain moisture and keep the soil cool. Now, let's talk about some signs of heat stress. If your plants are wilting, have scorched leaves, or seem to be growing slower, they might be stressed from the heat. Don't panic. There are ways to help them recover. First, move any potted plants to a shadier spot. For garden plants, you can provide temporary shade with a garden umbrella or even some large leaves. Also, make sure you're not over-fertilizing during a heat wave. Too many nutrients can actually make the heat stress worse. Another quick fix is to mist your plants with water. This can help cool them down instantly. Just be careful not to overdo it, as too much moisture can lead to fungal issues. Lastly, consider adding some heat-tolerant plants to your garden. Plants like succulents, lavender, and rosemary can thrive in higher temperatures and require less water. Mixing them in with your more sensitive plants can create a more resilient garden overall. Alright, plant warriors, that's it for today's tips on preventing and treating heat stress. Remember, a little bit of prep and care can go a long way in keeping your garden lush and healthy all summer long. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more gardening goodness. Until next time, happy gardening.